Hello, this is Rich Canleone coming to you from the CME Group trading floor. Today's segment is going to be shorts running into the hole. Obviously, by that I mean the big meeting that goes on this Friday, and that's the Jackson Hole meeting in Wyoming, where Mr. Bernanke is going to give us an assessment of the economic landscape and the overview of the U.S. economy going forward. Let's not forget that in that meeting you also have guest speakers from other central bankers. So in light of that, what we've seen as an overview in the last several days, we've actually seen open interest that suggests we've seen some short covering, if you will, and that's propelled the U.S. equity futures, particularly the S&Ps, to a level that is re-threatening some very important and significant resistance points that we put in from the hard bottom 1077 low. My note suggests that the 1077 low that we had put in on the 9th of August, the best retracement, the high since then we've seen has been on the 17th, which was 1206.75. The best close, however, since then has been 1198.5, and I think that is going to be the move target. However, hopefully it's not going to be buy the rumor and sell the fact. The market is widely expecting that all the central bankers that is, will talk about a potential QE3. And we've seen a move in the bond out of de-risking and into risk, which means that we're seeing money flow back into the equity markets overall, in the U.S. equity market particularly. The only thing that's troubling to me is that the market is moving swiftly on several economic releases, but if you look at them in their totality, they're still not all that great. In fact, one of this morning's numbers that is interestingly highlighted is month over month in terms of home purchasing price was better, but quarter over quarter was a lot worse. Put that into perspective. Additionally, one thing that you want to look at is the bond yield has backed off to an area which is incredibly important. 3.5 yield in the 30-year bond was very difficult for us to take out previously. That comes in roughly in the 138.02 futures price to 137.28. So I would guess that that market is going to make a stand there and perhaps limit the upside exposure to the SPUs intraday. However, overall, the area that you're looking at moving forward into the Jackson Hole meeting, I think the best that you can see is perhaps the 1198.5 on a short covering move, and perhaps some additional money flow because we're approaching the end of the month. So keep those levels in mind, trade smartly, and have a good day. Rich Canleone from CME Group Trading Floor signing off. Thank you.